You know, I'm gonna go get coached up by Team Khabib.
Khabib is the best fighter on the planet ever. He is the best fighter to ever grace the planet. It is ridiculous.
Hi guys, what's up? Good to see you here. Thank you for coming.
29-0.
You know, I was a state wrestler at Division I in Ohio, one of the hardest wrestling states. And I don't see why, if I can do boxing at this high of a level, that I couldn't do MMA at this high of a level.
I don't know, to be honest. Let's go. Jab, jab, move, jab, take down. This is #1 bullshit.
Got your hat.
I'm gonna smash your face.
Got your hat.
I will kill him.
Hezbollah, bro. We love Hezbollah.
Shut your mouth! You little fanboy. He bought t-shirts of mine.
Thank you so much.
Kawaii!
He probably shouldn't have his next fight in the UFC. Having your first fight in the UFC is tough. It's a tough place to learn.
Realistically, when you really think about it and you look at our athletes, these guys are superheroes, man. I mean, they really are.
I believe I deserve Tasha next.
Shut up.
That's 9 fights in a row.
Your wrestling is zero, your grappling is zero.